Pipitikin ba niya to? Ayun. Wow. Nice opener there. Okay, cue ball gets back nicely. Same pocket for the 3. Similar shot. Bouncing off the short rail. Clearing the 5 or pwedeng control. Ayan, clearing the 5 ball.
Sige.
Everything looks good. And of course, it is safe to say, shouldn't be a problem. Pero patuloy pa rin lumalayo itong Mavericks.
This won't pose a problem for him. There you go.
Nicely done. Okay, simple two-railer na may konting inside. Ibabaw na may inside. Yan. Lumayo man kasi narinig ko, palayo. Pero importante, it's a straight-in shot on the 9 towards that corner pocket. Not a problem. Oh, may konting mumugation.
Ayun na, napabuwis na ulit si Leybat. Napabuntong hiniya.